Hi kids, today we will listen to the story of a little girl named Lily and her paintbrush. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to draw and paint. She dreamed of becoming an artist one day. One rainy afternoon, Lily found an old paintbrush in her grandmother's attic. It was dusty and looked very old. This paintbrush looks special, Lily thought. She took it downstairs and decided to try it out. As soon as Lily dipped the brush in paint and touched it to the paper, something magical happened. Her painting came to life. The butterfly flew around the room, spreading colors everywhere. Wow! This is a magic paintbrush! Lily exclaimed. Lily painted more pictures, a rainbow, a tree, and a cat. Each one came to life and filled her room with magic. But soon, the room became too crowded. Lily realized she needed to find a way to manage all the living paintings. Lily had an idea. She painted a big, beautiful garden on the wall. All the living paintings happily moved into the garden. Now, whenever Lily wanted to see her magical friends, she could just visit her garden wall. She learned the importance of creativity and imagination. From that day on, Lily used her magic paintbrush to create wonderful stories and share them with her friends. She knew that art could make anything possible. Kids, the story teaches children about the power of creativity and imagination, and how art can bring joy and magic into their lives. Hi kids, today we will listen to the story of a little boy named Timmy and his magic transformer. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Timmy who loved to play with his toys. He had a special toy called Max, who could transform into anything. One day, Timmy wished he could visit the jungle. Max, can you turn into a jeep? He asked. Max transformed into a shiny red jeep. Hop in, Max said. Timmy climbed into the jeep, ready for an adventure. They drove through the jungle, seeing tall trees and colorful birds. Timmy felt like a real explorer. Suddenly, they saw a river blocking their path. Max, can you turn into a boat? Timmy asked. Max transformed into a sturdy boat. They floated down the river, enjoying the beautiful scenery. As they sailed, they saw a big mountain. Max, can you turn into a helicopter? Timmy asked. Max transformed into a helicopter. They flew over the mountain, seeing everything from above. After exploring the mountain, they landed in a desert. Max, can you turn into a camel? Timmy asked. Max transformed into a friendly camel. They walked through the desert, enjoying the warm sun. In the desert, they found an ancient pyramid. Max, can you turn into a flashlight? Timmy asked. Max transformed into a flashlight. Timmy used it to explore the dark pyramid and find hidden treasures. After their adventures, they returned home. Thank you, Max. You made my day magical, Timmy said. Max transformed back into a toy. Timmy knew that with Max, every day could be an adventure. The Timmy learned that with imagination, he could go anywhere and do anything. And Max would always be there to help. Kids, the story teaches children about the power of imagination and how it can turn any day into an exciting adventure. It also emphasizes the value of friendship and creativity. Hi kids, today we will listen to the story of a little girl Emma and her magical flying carpet. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Emma who loved bedtime stories. She always wished for a real adventure. One night, as Emma was about to sleep, she noticed something strange. Her bedroom carpet began to glow. The carpet lifted off the floor and floated in the air. Wow! A flying carpet! Emma exclaimed. Hop on, Emma, the carpet whispered. Emma climbed onto the carpet, feeling excited for the adventure. The carpet soared out of the window, flying high above the town. Emma could see the twinkling lights below. They flew over forests and rivers, seeing animals and beautiful landscapes. Emma felt like she was in a dream. Suddenly, they reached a magical land filled with glowing flowers and friendly creatures. Emma met a talking bunny who said, "Welcome to the land of dreams. We need your help to find the lost star." "I'll help you find the star," Emma said bravely. The carpet took Emma and the bunny on a new adventure. They flew to a dark forest where the star was hidden. "We must find the light," the bunny said. Emma found the star shining in a tree. She gently took it and held it up. "We found it," she cheered. The star lit up the entire forest, making it bright and beautiful. "Thank you, Emma," the bunny said. Emma and the carpet flew back home, with the star lighting their way. Emma felt happy and proud. Back in her bedroom, the carpet gently landed. "Thank you for the adventure," Emma whispered. Emma knew that every night could be a magical adventure with her flying carpet. She fell asleep with a smile, dreaming of new adventures. Kids, the story teaches children about bravery and helping others, showing that even the smallest actions can light up the world around them. It also encourages imagination and dreaming big. We share something new every day. To get the updates, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.